corn fritters. And when you're vegan, these are vegan corn fritters for all my vegan friends out there that are vegan.
No, say it again.
Corn fritters are amazing, and these are vegan corn fritters. I know, right? These are for all my vegan friends that are vegan. Yes, you know who you are. The ingredients that come together in this incredible recipe are so simple and delicious, and when you're busy and on the fly, this is an incredible, fast and effective recipe that just requires a food processor and the stove. I know, right? Genius. Welcome the ingredients. Hello ingredients. We've got some beautiful flour here. Now you don't have to use wheat flour or spelt flour or kamut. You could use gluten-free, not a problem. You could use some chia seeds to bind it together. I've got some kaffir lime leaves, some cumin powder. I've got a jalapeno. Now you don't have to use chili, but I have this on tap, so I'm using it today. I've got some beautiful fresh spring onion, some corn kernels that have come off the cob, some fresh coriander, some garlic. I've got some oil and a little bit of water if I need it, just in case this is too pasty in the food processor. So all you're going to do is heat your pan, something I prepared earlier, and have your food processor ready to your left. I know, right? Left, right, depends what you are. You'd probably have it to the right. Just depends. And all you're going to do is put everything in there, and we want to create a wonderful paste with a little bit of texture. Spring onions, which just bring it home, actually. I'm only going to put a few of these in here, a few slices of this jalapeno, because sometimes it can be quite hot and punchy, so maybe just like 3 or 4 slices. There we go. Some cumin powder. Got this amazing fresh coriander. Oh, there's something about coriander. And I've got that garlic as well that's going to go straight in. Yay, hello. The star ingredient, the corn kernels. And lastly, this kaffir lime leaf, which, oh my gosh, is just going to bring it home. This is how you chop them, okay? They've got this little bit of a stem in there. All I'm going to do is pinch in the middle. Watch this. It just comes undone. And then you're going to actually roll this up tightly, so watch me. And then using your finger, and this is what I do in my online cooking classes, is really take you on a journey step by step and introduce you to the pleasures of cooking and how it can come about in such a joyful way when you know what you're doing. And this is one of these techniques. So my knife is touching my finger. I can never cut my finger. See that? Do you? How it's not cutting? But if I stick my finger out, I can cut it, right? Yeah, okay. And this is how you get these really fine, beautiful slivers, and that's what we want. We're just like a nosy cameraman. Yeah, can I get it? Can I get it closer? Closer, stop, hold. This goes straight into here. I know, right? Salt and pepper, building blocks of flavour, the most important ingredient, along with your intention, of course. I'm just gonna whiz this. Now I want a bit of texture. I don't want a complete smoothie here. I just want a bit of, and I've got that flour and that water on standby. Watch this. Just pulsing. I'm not kind of whizzing. Do you get what I'm saying?
We do!
You do! Okay, have a look in here. And I can tell straight away that it needs something to bind it. It's just not holding. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour at a time. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon first and then a little pulse. I feel like it needs another one, so I'm going to add another tablespoon. I'm using spelt flour, white spelt flour. Okay, now have a look. I can really tell that's come together. Look at that, it's not falling apart. And this is where you intuitively think to yourself, do I need a little bit more flour? Maybe 1 more tablespoon, just for kicks and tricks. Okay, and we are done. Check it out. Beautiful, nice and moist, holding together well. I'm excited for this. This is great. Okay, can't wait to eat these. We've been eating all day. Have we? We have, haven't we? So much food. Okay, splash of oil. Move that oil around. Bring that oil down to the end of the pan. This is what I do. So it coats it nicely. And then make little ones, hey? Nice little round, little gorgeous little fritters, and just keep repeating the process. Smells amazing in here. I don't want them to burn, so just have a look at this first one that I put on first, okay? Nice colour. Move them around the pan, because the pan has heat in all separate places, right? It's kind of what us chefs do. We like to shift things around, so just don't be afraid. Having your equipment and having things like this on tap makes cooking so much easier. I notice I get a lot of people write and go, oh, they burnt, I couldn't get them off the pan, and they've got these tiny little frying pans with a handle, and they're quite deep, and it's very challenging. Go outside to your barbecue plate. Do this on a barbecue plate, it's amazing. So I'm going to cook them probably 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're just going to eat them. That's really it. These are done. And they're held together beautifully with no egg. And that's all I have today. We're gonna eat them. All of them.
No sharing?
No sharing.
Yes!
There we go. Cute, yummy, tasty. Ah, for you. And for you. And for anybody that comes in first, which is her.
You know that music when someone just win an Olympic thing? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's...
Yes.